Where am I? Oh my God. Oh, not again. Which way do I go? Please. I'm trapped. There's nowhere to go. It's getting closer. Please, there must be a door here. Look at all the bodies on the floor. Light. Must follow the light. Where did the light go? Where did he go? Was that the unseen?
Come with me.
I do not know where I am. This place is no place for an old man. I need some place to get out of here. Can't take this place anymore. What is happening to the world? There's no place. Everything is so dark. I can barely see my own self. Haven't seen myself in years. There's nothing.